Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you want to see how I turn this to this, then keep watching. So first off, we'll be prepping our hair extension before we start braiding the hair. You can use any braiding hair extension of your choice. I'm currently working with the Lush hair extension Fire Orange and Color 30. So basically what you just have to do is overlap the two colors over and over again to get the color mix or blend that you want to work with. So what you want to do is keep mixing and mixing and mixing to get something close to what I have, or even better than what I have. So my client washed her hair prior to the appointment. This was done to ensure her scalp was clean and free from itchiness and irritation throughout the period of the hairstyle. So you want to separate the hair individually just to get the other parts you're not going to work with out of the way. Next, I'm taking 3 individual locks for a braid, 3 strands for a braid. Get what I mean? Then I'll go in with my edge control. The essence of the edge control is just to ensure the parts are properly divided and are clean. This step is actually optional, but it's advisable to apply edge control to make your hair process or braiding process a lot easier. This is our very first YouTube video. Finally made it to YouTube, you guys. It's been a long time coming, but we are finally here. Please, let's help this community grow. You're already getting value from this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please scroll down right now.
Scroll down right now
And click the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon so that whenever another video goes up, you'll be the first to know. And as soon as you subscribe, leave a comment down below saying subscribe. Thank you. So like I said before, I'm working with 3 strands, so I'm taking 3 strands of the locks. I'm braiding it. So basically we'll just take one on the left, then the second strand on the right, and then the third strand underneath. I'm trying to make this video as detailed as possible so that beginners in braiding can also learn 1 or 2 things from this video. So what you just have to do is take 1 braid on the left, then 1 on the right, and while doing it, ensure you are taking the natural locks or the client's locks underneath the attachment. process all through. Just keep braiding and braiding. If you realize that the client's hair is left out or is sticking out, you can just loosen it to the point where you left the client's hair and tuck it behind again. I'm going to leave you now to watch this video down to the end. And if you're already getting value from this video, be sure to like this video so that YouTube can always recommend it to people that might need it. And if you haven't subscribed at this point, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button and see you at the end of the video. We've come to the end of the video. Until next time, thanks for watching. Subscribe.